Friend, today start with 7th class activity sheet 11. See, let's understand motion, types of motion in our day-to-day life. As a reference, standard 6 chapter 9 motion and types of motion. See, learning outcome explaining the concept of motion and giving day-to-day example of motion. Let's take a look. See, in a moving object are said to be an object in a motion. In our day-to-day life, you moving an object, any object, discuss with object in the picture or the motion. See, next in a picture, see in a motion. See, while waiting for a bus stop, other vehicle appear to be state motion. On the other hand, when you are the motion yourself, a still object appear to be moving. For example, the trees are seen to run backward while you are traveling in a train. See, if an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be motion. Is the next, the continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Is a definition right here in our notebook. See, the continuous displacement. See, the continuous displacement of an object is said to motion. Let's learn the types of motion. As a linear motion, first, object traveling in a straight line or in the same direction known as linear motion. Next, linear motion of the two main types of linear motion, uniform linear motion or non-uniform linear motion. See the first, uniform linear motion. When the distance traveled by an object along a straight line, unit time is continuously the same. The motion is called linear motion. See the in a picture is a marching soldier. See, the motion of the marching soldier is a uniform linear motion because it is straight lines spread in a same. The motion of the soldier in a spread in a same. In the legs direction, hand direction is a one same. Next, non-uniform linear motion. When the distance traveled by an object along a straight line, unit time keeps on changing, the motion is called a non-uniform linear motion. See a girl on the sliding. See, during that the period not even side difference is seen. However, the motion of the girl coming down the slide does not appear in the uniform. The girls come down faster and faster. The speed of her motion goes increasingly continuously. Is that right? See, let's practice. See the first question. Let's practice. First, stand on a chair and release a ball from your hand as it's fall to the floor. Observe a type of the motion of a ball. Answer is a linear motion because ball is a straight line on the floor. Next, write the example of linear motion in day-to-day life. See, first, a mango is falling from the mango tree. Is a straight, it is called linear motion. Next, a rocket launched from the ground. Next question, third, write the difference between uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. As an example, see an example right here. See differentiation. See in a non-uniform linear motion and uniform linear motion. As a definition, see in a differentiation right here. See uniform linear as a do division of uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. See, first, when the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time in the same, the motion is called a uniform linear motion. See, the example is parading soldier is a straight. There is a uniform linear motion. Next, non-uniform linear motion. First, when the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit times keep changing motion is called uniform linear motion. Non-uniform linear motion. See, second example, girl coming down the slide is a non-uniform linear motion. See the next question, question 4. See, make a list of moving objects in our observation. See the first, in a coconut tree falling from the coconut tree. See, in a ball released from the terrace of a building, it comes down. These are two examples right here in all. Thank you watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and any to doubt to comment box in a comment. Thank you watching my video.